Hi, it's me, Doby Daoud. Today I'm going to teach you the movement code so you can learn and I'll explain how it works and like that. So before we begin this video, please like and subscribe. I really need you to like and subscribe. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you subscribed and like and you liked. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so before we get started, we need rigid body and we need polygon collider and we need a movement code. Okay, so let's go. Let's begin. Okay, first write private move speed, but with float. Private float move speed. So we need it float with move speed. So move speed it will help us when we write the input and get access around like that. Will help us in the input system. And private rigid body 2D or B. Okay. And one last thing, we need private jump force. Private float jump force. I don't know why I'm float. Okay. So we need to write private void start and private void update. So we write RB get component rigid body story and okay we did it. Okay, so we need something. We need to write RB velocity new vector 2 import most speed dot RB velocity dot y. This is my code. If you want to see my code, link in bio. Okay, RB. So before we begin, we need move speed and move input. So input velocity new vector. Okay, so we write this, RB velocity new vector import star move speed and then comma or RB dot velocity y. The velocity so we can get move and we did y and so we want the player to move because we need input and move speed. It will help with it. And vector 2 it's float for x and float y. So you need this. This is very important. Okay. And then we write private not private what is called input dot get access raw return to. So we write like this. like this thing. We need this. Like here, where is it? White like this. Missing thing we need to write move input equals input that get access raw. And the last thing we need to write if input dot get access get button down. Get button down is for space and get access raw when you write like this. If it's like for example, like I go here to input system, we need to write like this. If it's like this, and we need to write the name, and this is example and vertical, but we don't need to write vertical because we already wrote the wrote it. Okay, so get button down is for space like this. Then we write jump. Okay, so write like this. So to write it, but from the code we need this thing. We need one of these. We need those. Okay, and like that. Okay, so let's go test it out. So, so it's loading the script because there's an error. Good. Okay, it's fixed. Now we go try our script. And like that. Wait. Oh wait. Wrote horizontal wrongly or we didn't edit it. We need to write it public. Or write equal 12f. Same thing here to move input. And the jump force. Make it 10. Okay. And we'll add header. What is header? The header will help us if we wrote header to bring the list, even if it's private. But you need to stick it here. Movement. Oh, so what is wrong? We need to capitalize. That's why we saw an error. Okay, let's test it out. Let's go test it and let's see what happens. Okay, great. So we have the movement and the jumping code. So that's all. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Okay, thank you. So now it's working. Okay, so thank you for watching. Before you before the video ends, please watch this video. Shout out to myself, to my video, and like that. Please, fast, 3, 2, 1, over.